Hello, so welcome to the 10th video of the series. So if you have watched the previous video, by following that we have installed a premium theme using Theme Forest, and if you want to upload some sample data in your Shopify store, then you can watch this video. And if you want to create a free store on Shopify under development mode, then you can watch this 7th video. So in this video we will see how we can set up a Shopify store using free theme, because I know that most of the users will like to use free theme in start. So let's move forward with the video. So we can go to our store, and here you can see we have a premium theme installed that we installed in the last video. So we will scroll down, and here we will click on visit theme store to check out the free themes that are available on Shopify store. So here, to find the free theme, you will have to check mark this free option over here. So here you will see industry, and you can check out the industries. And if you want to create a website for a restaurant, for example, you can just check out this option and you can see which theme is available for a restaurant store. And similarly, if you want to create a website for food and drink, then you can check mark this and you can see the themes that are available for that. So in this case I will go with a free theme that is known as Dawn, which is our default Shopify theme. So I will keep using that. So to install any theme, you will click on it and you can click on try theme. This is the default theme that comes up with your Shopify store when you create a Shopify store. So this theme is recommended because I have seen lots of documentation and tutorials on this theme. So if you have any query about adding any functionality to the theme, then you will find a lot of stuff about this theme, because lots of people use this theme. And it also has seamless shopping experience. One of my clients generated like $100,000 in a month using this theme. So that's why I am in love with this theme as well. So when you will add the theme, you will see the theme over here. You can see it says just added, and you can click on publish to make this theme live. So in the next video we will start designing our Shopify store. So first of all we will see how we can create a logo for our store, and then we will move forward with the design and the sections and the menus, the products, the categories and different things. Like this video and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.